We're making pound cake. And here are our ingredients. This is a little bit of salt.
This is salt and this salt.
That's sugar.
This is sugar and this is egg.
We have some eggs. And that's vanilla right there.
Vanilla.
We have butter over here.
And we have butter and
baking powder.
And baking powder and powder.
Not just powder, flour.
Flour powder.
Okay, so you ready to bake?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. And mix. There you go. You can put it on number 2.
I'm going to put it in number 2.
Okay, go. It's a little faster.
Wow. Now we're going to put the egg.
Okay, put 1 egg. You put it all in? Okay. Okay, we need 2 more. Okay, go. Put it in.
Now we're going to put the vanilla. Let's do it.
Okay, mix it again.
Now it's time to put the flour.
Where's your flour?
Yeah.
There you go. Be careful out there. Put it in there. All in?
Oh, no. Okay.
Okay, it's okay. Oops. A little more. There you go.
Now we're going to put some milk.
Okay, put the milk in before you mix it. Okay, guys, that's condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk for our pound cake. That's what's going to make it really yummy.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Okay, there we go. One's okay, Ate.
I want to do 2.
Hi again, guys. So, Keona got bored and she left me, so I will finish our pound cake. So, anyways, she put all the ingredients inside already earlier. Now, I'm just scraping the bottom of the mixing bowl. If you're using a stand mixer or any kind of mixer at all, make sure you always scrape the sides and the bottom so that the ingredients are well mixed and walang matitira na flour that isn't mixed with the wet ingredients. Okay. I'm going to be using this loaf pan. Even if it's non-stick, I still put a little bit of oil in it so that after I'm done baking the batter, I'm sure that it won't stick, it'll easily slide off. Okay, so now let's put the batter. Putting the batter inside the loaf pan now, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You ready to eat this, Kuya?
Yeah.
Hi! Let's eat it.
Mama, can you help me?
Alright.
Now can you help me? Hold on a minute. Now?
Kuya. Who else has a 5-year-old that likes to ask you to do things when you're in the middle of something? Yes, Kuya, hold on.
Ow.
This is what he's asking me to do. Put the pin on his cup so that... How many balls did it come with?
1.
Just 1?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work.
It is gonna work.
I don't know how this... You're gonna have to ask Dada. He's a basketball expert. Okay, be careful. Wash my hands. Okay, so we are ready to put this in the oven. Oh, make sure you preheat your oven to 360 degrees. And then once it gets there, that's when you put it in